Good evening. Can you hear me? Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Now it's supposed to work. How are you? Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear
I can hear.
me?
I can hear you. Thank you for joining us.
Can you hear me?
I can
Good.
hear you, but
Good.
sometimes it is
Oh,
buffering.
good. Yeah.
Some networking issue. Site. It's perfect. Problem.
Okay.
Okay. So welcome. To the online training program on Python for modern geospatial AI and computer vision training program. So in this training program, I try to teach
Mhm.
all of modern geospatial technology from beginners to advanced level. Okay, we try to cover. And after completing this online training program, you are able to any types of advanced geospatial analysis very quickly and efficiently. You can do it, I hope. And I also get you support when you face any problem or any issue.
Yeah.
Then I will guide you the problem. Okay. Okay. Then we
Okay.
start. Okay, let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah. I need to. Yes. Now it's good.
Okay, thank you. So let's go start. Okay, so first of all, I'll try to explain about that full course content. So mainly after completing the total all of classes, what you will learn. We try to discuss about that. So
Yeah.
in this training session, basically we focus for that practical as well as we also focus for theoretical. Okay, so I'll try to cover practical as well as also
Mhm.
cover the theoretical part of this training in this training session. And I
Mhm.
hope you are become a developer of computer vision and remote sensing with geospatial. And so,
Yeah.
so first of all, I try to ask you some question. So, do you have the basic concept of the Python
Yeah.
programming language? Do you have the basic Python? Do you have or not?
Again, because it was a bit video. Okay, repeat the question.
So, do you have the basic concept of Python programming language or not?
Okay, I used to work with Google Earth Engine, and there I wrote the code with JavaScript. I now installed Anaconda into my computer, but I haven't worked directly with Python. So I can imagine that there are some similarities between JavaScript and Python, but directly with Python, I never worked. So that's why I also took the course. Um,
You did you use the Anaconda before? Yeah. Do you know about the Anaconda or Anaconda prompt? This type of thing you already know about that. Yeah.
a little bit,
Okay.
not
Okay.
so
Perfect.
much.
I'll
It would
try
be
to
nice to
explore
repeat
all
it.
of those from beginners to advanced level. I hope you can easily learn all of
Yeah,
them. No problem. No problem. I try to start from the skirts and then go up to the
perfect.
advanced one by one. No problem. No problem. I try to. Okay.
Perfect.
So okay. So let me show you the total full course content. Okay. So I already sent you. Then I again explain this type of course content. So basically, this training session,
Mhm.
we create some phase, different phase. Suppose in the first phase, we discussed about the Python foundation. Okay, Python foundation. So in this Python foundation, basically we try to discuss about that how to install the Python or Anaconda, Miniconda, or Jupyter notebook or VS Code. and also discuss about some basic principle of variables, data type, or loops. Okay, and also discuss about that function or modules, file handle, different types of file, CSV file, JSON file, or expecting the handling. Okay, and also discuss about that NumPy array or vectorized operation. Okay, and also broadcasting or matrix math fundamental to discuss about that. We also discuss about that pandas data frame. Okay, then cleaning the geospatial table data set, time series basic analysis. Okay, we also discuss about that. And this is the phase one. Okay, this is the phase one. Okay, so this phase one we need the total 8 hours.
Yeah.
This phase one we try to discuss about that.
Yeah.
And phase two we discuss about the core geospatial Python. Okay, core geospatial Python, basically how to use different types of Python library for geospatial analysis, different types of Python library for geospatial analysis, suppose geopandas, then vector format shapefile, GeoJSON, or geometry type. So different types of things also discussed in here, or
Yeah.
spatial join, buffer or proximity, overlay analysis, okay, or CRS management, mainly coordinate reference
Yeah.
system, how to work, or EPGS codes, or pi projection transformation. We'll also discuss about that, and also discuss about the rasterio, how to handle the rasterio, or GOT file structure, or reading the multi-band raster imagery or satellite imagery. Also discuss, and also discuss about the raster clipping and maxing, band math, different types of calculation, or NDVI calculation, time series raster
Yeah.
analysis, change detection. Okay, so this is our phase two. Okay, this phase two
Yeah.
we discuss about this type of topic, and phase three we discuss about the machine learning concept. Okay, machine learning for geospatial
Yeah.
analysis,
Yeah.
machine learning concept, then supervised, unsupervised classification, then feature engineering, random forest or support vector machine, then feature extraction from raster data, then how to check accuracy assessment, or confusion matrix table, or cross validation, or cross
Yeah.
validation, or multi-sensor feature stacking from Sentinel-1 or Sentinel-2, or texture featuring. Also discuss about that, and also yes, discuss about the land use land cover classification, just as a project work. So every phase we try to add some project work or practical work for analysis more better.
Yeah.
And phase four, we discuss about the computer vision for remote sensing. Okay, how to use OpenCV, how to use OpenCV in the fundamental. Okay, how to use OpenCV to detect different types of imagery, different types of feature, different types of object. So how to detect using the OpenCV, or also PyTorch, or image filtering, or edge detection. Okay, or image segmentation, how to use. Okay, or thresholding, or morphological operation. We'll discuss about that. Okay, and object detection. Okay, sliding window, or features about the CNN
Yeah.
fundamental. Okay, convolution network, neural network, or feature maps. We also discuss about that. Okay, and phase five, we discuss about the PyTorch on deep learning. Okay, PyTorch and deep learning for geospatial AI. So PyTorch basic, then tensor, then AutoGuard,
Yeah.
then building the simple neural network. We also discuss. Then CNN implementation in the PyTorch, or custom dataset, data loader for raster passes. Okay, transform the referring. Okay, our ARSNet, or finding the UNet. We also discuss about the for segmenting, segmentation for UNet architecture. We also discuss about that. We also discuss on star handling, Sentinel-1. So different types of topic we discuss. For time series, deep learning,
Yeah.
LSTM.
Yeah.
Okay, we also use, or sequence modeling. And also we try to add this additional part. It's also important when you work with the cloud or deployment, and also WebGIS. Okay, so these type of things we can easily work with different types of API. We can use Google Earth Engine API, or also
Yeah.
Microsoft Planetary
Okay.
API. So this type of API, or Leaflet API. So this type of thing we also integrate with our dataset and create the some WebGIS application or WebGIS. We also discuss these type of things, and also discuss about the different types of project. Okay,
Perfect.
so every class I will some assignment regarding this type of class. So you also try to do this type of
Yeah.
assignment, so he also help you
Yeah.
to learn this type of things more better.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we try to cover this part,
Okay.
mainly
Perfect.
first phase one. We try to discuss about the phase one. So Python and Jupyter notebook or Anaconda,
Yeah.
so this type of thing try to explain how to work. So okay, let me open my slide. So basically our this is our learning main objective, understand the Python GIS stack and applying the machine learning, deep learning or artificial intelligence to geospatial data and build AI or artificial
Mm-hmm.
intelligence powered spatial models. We try to create this type of models. And also we use the modern geospatial AI stack. Mainly we take the satellite data, GIS processing, machine learning, deep learning and decision intelligence. We also work this type of things, and we can apply this type of geospatial artificial intelligence in the different sector: agriculture sector, urban planning, disaster management, climate monitoring, defense monitoring. So it uses the different sector. Okay, here I include some, but geospatial AI it apply for the different types of sector. Okay, and day by day it increase. Okay, and create the multidisciplinary. It create the multidisciplinary sector day by day, and there's a lot of use for the
Yeah.
geospatial AI.
Yeah.
And mainly in this time, we are used at the cloud computing platform as well as also use at the Python. Sometimes we also use the QGIS software or ArcGIS Pro software or Jupyter Notebook
Mm-hmm.
or VS Code Editor, Visual Studio Code Editor.
Mm-hmm.
So this type of software we also use and mainly focus for the cloud computing platform, Google Earth Engine, Microsoft Planetary, or Sentinel Hub API. So this type of cloud
Yeah.
computing platform we also use, and also mainly use the Python or QGIS, RGS Pro, Jupyter Notebook. Okay, this type of thing also use. And okay, so let's go. We try to start the work. Okay, so let me. Okay, so I hope you
Yeah.
already downloaded the software, which is called the Anaconda distribution. You simply search here, Anaconda distribution.
Wait, I will
So I can see this the
try
download
to.
Anaconda. When you search Anaconda
Mm-hmm.
distribution download, we can get this type of download Anaconda. Okay, just click on the download Anaconda.
Um,
Then it open
yeah.
another window. So we find out you can see. So then simply click on the get started. Get started.
Wait. I will try to do it. Anaconda
Right.
distribution.
Okay.
I think that I already downloaded it. Download Anaconda distribution, and then it's get started, right?
Yes,
It,
yes, yes. Then simply sign up with your Google.
yeah, that's what I do. Continue.
And then it find out the download page. Okay, it just open the download page. So I simply sign up with my Gmail.
Yeah, and then I will wait because I signed, and then it shows me if I want to
You can
download
get, you
Anaconda
can choose
distribution or
your download.
Miniconda.
Anaconda distribution or Miniconda. We can get this
Yeah,
type of, you can say the Windows, Mac,
yeah,
or Linux. So Anaconda distribution,
yeah.
download it because you can see
Mm-hmm.
this Anaconda distribution, it including 8,000 plus libraries, Jupyter Lab, Spider,
Yeah.
IDE. You can get all of those in the Anaconda distribution. So simply click on here and download the Anaconda distribution. Simply download. Okay. So after downloading, simply
Mm,
install. Simply install. It's not very hard. Just simply
yeah.
install. And then simply click on the start button. Okay. Just click on the start button and
Okay.
search here Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt. We
Yeah.
find out the Anaconda prompt. Okay. Did you find
Okay.
it? Anaconda prompt in your start button?
Uh, I'm still downloading the program. I'll try to see. Actually, I have it. Yes. Yes, I have Anaconda prompt.
Okay. Just click on the open button. You can see the open button, Anaconda prompt, open. Just click on the open. So it open this type of window.
Yeah.
Okay, we find out you can see it show the base and it show the C user SP. From my side, it show this type of folder. C users SP. We find out it's a base folder. The base folder, we find out this type of base. So it's called the Anaconda prompt. So in this Anaconda prompt, we need to create the environment. Environment we need to create in this Anaconda prompt. So if you simply write
Mm-hmm.
conda env list, conda env list and enter. So now it's give me all of environment which I already create. Okay, so here I find out all of environment which I already create. Okay, so it's my previous environment which I created for my different project, Aquacrop, then then GeoAI, then Geont, Geospatial, Mizan. So this type of environment I already created in my system. Okay.
Okay.
So when you just simply write conda env
Yeah,
list, then we can get this type of listed, which I already created. This type of environment I already created. Yeah.
Yeah.
So now how I
For
can create
I don't
the
see it. Like when I do.
yeah.
Mhm.
So, so so do you have this?
I don't see the library, like the environment.
So now we need
When
to
I do
create
the when I write conda. Okay.
the new environment. Okay, so this type of environment I already created. So that's why it show in here. Okay. So now
Yeah. Okay.
how I can
Okay.
create the environment? Suppose I create the new environment for my new project. Okay, so how I can create the environment? We discuss about that. Okay, so when you create the environment, we simply write here conda create. Okay, then put here n and put the name of your environment. So you can put any name as a environment name. So I put the name, suppose I put the name which name I put the name, suppose first class. Okay, so you can say I create the first class, this type of name, it's my environment. I create the conda create hyphen n and first class. I put the environment is the first class. So now press enter.
Minus n and
So now it's working. So,
I.
so this is the process for creating the environment.
Press
How we
enter.
can really create the environment conda. So then press Y and enter. Press Y and then enter. So you can see it
No, but
show.
yeah, for me,
Yeah,
wait. Wait. It's too fast.
yeah,
I
please.
go with it, and in my prompt, it's showing completely different stuff.
Okay. So what the step? Okay, can you share the screen and show me that?
Yeah, I try. Wait.
Then it also better. Okay, let me stop the sharing. You try. You simply share the screen. Show me that.
Yeah, like now, you see it. My prompt here.
Okay, so it show the conduct create an LST class. Do you term of repository? It show that conda.
Because when I
Yeah. So this is the conda environment. There is okay. So you did not create the environment later. You just open it. Yeah. Okay. Press A and accept.
yeah, I'll do accept here as well. It's the same. I did need to do like this.
Oh, press A again. Yeah. Then yeah. Yes. So it's working. It's working. It's
Yeah.
working. So mainly it take the
Okay.
your permission. It accepts. So now I can see it show.
Yeah.
It show the okay. So it also show the another problem. It show the update. You need to update your conda. Okay. So it show the
So
conda.
I do now. Yes.
So you can simply you can see the yes. There's the
Yeah.
Y and then enter.
Yeah. That's
Just
what I
Y
do.
enter. Just Y.
Why did it
Only
work?
Y, not bracket.
Ah, only Y. Only Y. Okay.
Okay, so now it's done. You can see it show that to activate this
Yeah.
environment, simply put conda activate, then put your environment name. Conda activate LST class. Just put this name. Conda activate
Like this.
same.
Yeah. LST class.
So now you can see.
Could not find Conda environment. It's supposed to be first class, no? Like Conda activate first class or LSP class.
Or you can simply check Conda ENV list, then check the name, proper name, which you put Conda ENV list. ENV list.
Okay. Yeah.
Then enter.
Environment list. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your you can see it show the this one. After base, this is the name. Okay. This is the name of your environment. So now you activate. So just put the Conda activate. Conda activate, then write the name first class. Yeah. Activate and write the name first class. Yeah. Then enter. Okay, it's done. So now stop the sharing and follow my one by one. Then I hope it was better. Okay, so stop the sharing and follow my.
Yeah.
So now we simply activate our environment which we created. Okay, so this is the first step. We can create our environment and then we simply activate our environment.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen? Yeah.
Yeah.
So now, if I check, suppose Conda env list, so you can check it show the new environment name. Okay, which I created this one first class. Okay, it added the new environment. So this new environment I need to active. I need to active this environment. Okay. So let's go. We try to activate. So for the active, we simply write here Conda activate this name. It's simple, right? Then it will be activate. So just put Conda activate. This is my name. I simply just put first class. I put this name first class. Then enter. So when it activate, if you check, it show first class. It show the first class. Okay. But previous time it show the base. But when I activate, it show the first class. So now this environment is ready. So now this environment is ready. So I simply install different types of packages, different types of Python packages in this environment. I simply install it, the different types of packages. So let's go and try to install it some packages. And in our environment, different types of package we need to use for the different purpose. Suppose if you check here, I already write some package name. So if you check the core Python libraries, so here I already add some different types of Python library. Suppose GeoPandas, it's a one kind of package, Rasterio, then Rio X-ray, then Shapely, PyTorch, Pino, GDAL, GeoDataset, Matplotlib, Jupyter, or Folium. So basically, it's the core Geospatial Python package. This type of library simply used for the different purpose. Okay. So now, how I can install this type of package in our environment? Just copy just I copy all of package name and further open the environment, and I simply write here Honda install C Honda 4G, then paste all of package name. Okay, then paste all of package name, and then press -y. Okay, so I also send you this command link or code. Just I copy and send you the copy, and then you also try your own system. Okay, let me send in the just I send. Okay, just copy and then just follow. It will be helpful for you. So just I simply write all of those together and then press enter. After, just press enter. So now in my environment, all of packages, GeoPandas, Rasterio, Rio X-ray, Shapely, PyTorch, Pino, GDAL, Geodatas, Matplotlib, Jupyter and Folium, all of packages, it install
Mhm.
it in my environment which I created.
Yeah,
Also takes some
clear.
time because there's a lot of packages we at the same time we try to install in our environment, and it's need only for the first time. It just need only for the first time.
Because
It's need,
afterwards, remembering it. It's having it.
yeah.
Like you install it once and then that's it. Okay.
Yes. Just we need install for one time.
Yeah.
Then we don't need to. Just we simply work without this type of process. Okay, just it's only for the first time for installing.
Yeah.
So it's working. It takes some time, I think, because there's a lot of
Yeah.
packages.
For me, it's already starting downloading. Like I see
Yeah,
all
that's
the.
great. It's great.
Yeah.
We
Like
can see
just
it.
to understand. Ah, okay. Yeah, you can go. Like environment is basically like a prompt that we're working on. Like we will work with different environments, and every time I can go back. Like this environment is called like first class, or
Yeah, so
just to
so
understand.
it's different. Suppose we can create the individual environment for our individual project. It also better.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Suppose if you want, you can do all of those in one environment. It also not a problem. So
Yeah.
it
Yeah. No,
also
for sure. You need to do it like in different environments. Yeah.
yeah
Okay. No, just that I would see afterwards, like where can I find it and where did I save it, and because sometimes like
yeah.
it's completely new for me to go with prompts, but
So you can see
but,
here I create different types of environment. Suppose you can see the aqua crop. So this is my environment when I work with the crop monitoring. Okay, this is the GE. So it's a
mm,
Google Earth Engine.
Google Earth Engine. Yeah.
GEOAI. So this is my another project when I work with the artificial intelligence. I just use it,
Yeah.
or geospatial intelligence. Then I use it. Geospatial.
Yeah.
So I get different environment. So further I
Yeah.
simply access this type of environment and work.
Yeah. Okay. I will.
Okay. So you can see it show done. Okay. So you can see downloading and extracting package are done. Okay. We find
So
out
for
this type
me,
of package is successfully installed in our environment.
think that for me it still needs a little bit of time.
Okay, no problem.
Like it actually shows that everything was extracting, like everything is 100%, but it doesn't say that it finished, that it's done. Maybe it will need like
It takes some time. I think first time it takes some time.
maybe. And okay, it's almost. still. Can I ask, like, and like, if it's still working, like, can I ask, like, for example, in industries in remote sensing, like, what is the most common cloud composing system? Like, is it like Google Earth, or that other companies using other stuff? Envy, for example, is it something that
Yes.
is common?
Suppose now Google Earth Engine very well, as well as
Yeah,
Microsoft Planetary we also
yeah,
use. It also an NV or Sentinel Hub. So it also, but Google Earth Engine now first priority all
really?
of those. Yeah. Then Microsoft Planetary or
Okay,
NV,
yeah.
it also high demand type of
Okay. So
library.
industries prefer to work with Google Earth.
Yes.
Interesting. Okay. Because somehow I thought that Envy is like the, but never mind. Okay, it's
And
finished. For me, it's finished now.
okay, so then after done, so now we simply install this type of packages: GeoPandas, Rasterio, Rio Express, Chefly, PyPorts, Fino, GDAL, Geodataset, Matplotlib, Jupyter, and Folium. So this
Yeah,
type of it's called the core geospatial Python library. But
yeah,
when you work with machine learning or deep learning, then we need to work with this type of library. You can see the scikit-learn, pandas,
yeah.
numpy, then
And
pytorch,
torch.
then
Yeah,
this type of ultralytics, then pillow, OpenCV, we need to install it. So how I can install this type of package? Same way. Okay, let me just copy all of packages together. Just I copy all of those.
from where do you find the names? Because probably you need to know how to write those libraries in the prompt. Like, how do you know to find the right name for those libraries?
So I already installed this type of library. Then I noted.
Okay,
So now I simply
okay,
write here keep install, keep install, and then paste all of library name. Okay, so I also
yeah,
copy the command and also send you. We also try to
yeah,
install all of machine learning library in your system. Okay, so let me send you try. Okay, this command. So this type of library we simply use for our machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning and deep learning, where
yeah,
you use the scikit-learn, pandas, numpy, then PyTorch Vision, okay, Ultralytics,
yeah,
then Pillow, OpenCV. Just I also apply the same process, just enter. So now it will be
yeah,
starting the downloading all of those uh, Python packages.
yeah.
So it just need only for the first time.
Yeah. And
So
after that,
then
we have it. Yeah.
can easily work this type of packages.
But you don't need to install it for every time you open a new environment. Like, once you installed it, it's installed.
Yeah. So basically, it's need when you work with the new environment, then you need to work. You need to install
Okay.
again. But when you work with some same environment, then not need, not need.
Ah, okay. But if I do make a new environment that
Then
I
then
need to
need to
install
install. Then
again?
need to install. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Working. Yeah. So from my side, it's successfully installed it all of library. Basically, this type of
Mhm.
library for deep learning and machine learning, different types of work, object
Yeah.
detection, object segmentation. We are use this type of, or machine learning, supervised,
Yeah.
unsupervised, where you use this type of library.
I'm still not finished. It's in the middle. Still in the middle. Finished.
So this type of package we simply use for deep learning and machine learning, as well as if you want to work with suppose Google Earth Engine and Python, that type of package, Earth Engine API and GE
Yeah.
map. This package we simply install it. Okay, then it not need to install again. It's just I install it. Suppose I simply use here install and installing these packages. Install and test. Yeah, Earth Engine and GE map. So these two packages install it. So let me send you also. Then I simply
Yeah.
enter. So now it will be start installing mainly Google Earth Engine API and
Yeah.
GE map. Okay, then I can easily work with Google Earth Engine in my Python environment. I can easily download the imagery. I can easily get all of data from Google Earth
Yeah.
Engine in my Python environment.
Yeah.
From my side, it's successfully done.
I'm in the middle. It's still for Python for ArcGIS. Like they have a separate API, or it's like also you need to install it here.
We can also use the same environment, no problem.
Okay. 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 Let's see. Taking time. Okay. Almost finished. And finished. Yes.
Okay. So then as well as we can also use the Microsoft Planetary Computer Stack or X-Ray Doc. So further we simply just install this type of
Install it.
packages. And you work
Mhm.
with the Microsoft Planetary imagery. We can get from here also. Can easily connect this type of API. So further
Yeah.
is simply write this, finish our all of core Geospatial software. So maximum time we will use this type of things. So further, if we need any others, then we also install again. Okay, but for starting, I hope it's enough for in all of packages. If we need to install it for first time. The
Yeah.
same, just I put here the pip install test. Okay, by stack client, then planetary computer is ticket. So just I send you also, you try.
Mhm.
And simply enter.
Yeah.
I see it's done.
Yeah. For me, it's done also. Yeah. Now it's done.
So now we simply close it. Okay, it's not need now. Just I close and then reopen Anaconda prompt.
We close it and open again on the prompt?
Yes, yes.
So to close the prompt and open it again?
Yes.
Okay, I close and I open. And I call the prompt.
Now we get this type of first time. So you can see it show the base, but my in is not base. Okay. So first of
True.
all, I need to active my environment. So for that is
Yeah.
simply right here conda env list to check my environment name. I simply write it.
Okay.
So then we can get
Okay.
the this is my environment name. Okay, first class I put the name. So I active the environment and then I write here conda activate first class. So just I active my environment. Okay, because I want to work with this environment, I install it all of necessary software or necessary packages in my environment. Okay, first class. So I simply
Wait,
active.
wait. It doesn't show me the first class. Like when I write content environment lists, it doesn't show me my lists. It doesn't show me like my first class. Can I maybe share a screen or something?
And list.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe. Okay. I see. No, I wrote it incorrectly. Let's see now. Yeah. Then I have first class. Correct.
Right, the conda activate first class.
Then activate. Yeah. Now it's correct.
Now just conda activate first class and enter. So now
Yeah.
it show the first class is active. First class, and then you can get this type of things. Okay. So now simply
Yeah.
right here Jupyter lab. Just Jupyter lab. And then
Yeah.
enter. Then enter, then it will be open a Jupyter notebook in your local host. Open, you can your
Uh,
browser, it open this type of local host.
okay.
Jupyter
Not yet.
notebook.
It just opened to you in your browser automatically.
Yes, automatically it open.
Yes. Okay. I see that it opened to me. Yeah.
So here I already write some code, so that's why it show the code in my my laptop. But okay, so let me remove all of those. I start from the first time. Just a minute.
And Jupyter is basically what? Jupyter is like the.
Jupyter code editor is best for working different types of geospatial analysis. Okay, so let me open the new environment or new notebook. Okay, you can click on the Python 3. So
Mhm.
then it create the this type of untitled. So basically this folder we created. Okay, this one. If you want, you can also just rename. I put the rename, suppose first class. I put the name, file name.
Yeah.
Okay, I put the file name in the first class. Let's show the first class. Yeah,
Yeah.
so this is our code editor. So in this code editor, we simply write our code and then work with different types of geospatial analysis. So here we already different types of library. So this type of library, if you want, you can also import and then check what happened. Suppose here I imported some library and then check what happened. It will work or not. Suppose I simply
Mhm.
import one library, GeoPandas. GeoPandas. So this one kind of GeoPandas library, simply write. So this is the library name. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you
Yeah.
want, you can also put the short name as, suppose I put the name is the GPD. So this is my package name. I put the short name GPD. So when
Mhm.
I need the GeoPandas, I simply call GPD because I put the short
Yeah.
name GPD. Okay.
Yeah.
As well as I also want to import, suppose another library, matplotlib.pyplot. So I simply import, suppose import plot matplotlib dot py plot as plt. Okay, I put the short name as a plt. So when I need this package, I simply call the plt. Okay,
Yeah.
as well as I also import another library. Suppose import geo data sets. Okay, geo data set basically it's one kind of library. It stored different types of data set. Okay, so we can
Mhm.
basically from this data set we can easily access different types of data, geospatial data.
Okay.
So I simply imported three library: GeoPandas, Matplotlib as .pyplot as PLT, and geodatasets. I simply imported, and then I simply run. So you can see it's loading. It loading. It starts sample. It means that it's loading now. Loading.
Info line 2. Maybe I wrote matplotlib. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, run it. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, it's loading. You can see it show the start sample. It means that it's importing this type of library in here. Start sample.
I don't have the symbol at all. I have like 7 next to it. I don't have like a. It doesn't show me this symbol when I run it.
Yeah, in here you can see the my in my
Yeah,
console.
for me, I don't have it when I try to run it. I don't know why. Geopandas.
What it's showing? It show the one
It shows 7. It's
seven.
like, yeah, every time I run it, it's like jumping by number. Like every time
Okay,
I
no
press
problem.
run.
Okay, so if it show the number, it's also okay, no problem. Okay,
Okay.
without any error, without any error.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, we don't have
Okay,
any error. No.
so it's loading very fast from your computer. Okay, it also depend
Okay.
on the CPU configuration or others. So how many
Yeah.
time to load type of data? It's loading. Just a minute.
Okay. Mhm.
Long time.
All good.
It's done. Okay. But in this code editor, it's not working. Okay, so we try to. Okay, I think I open the two code editor at the same time. That's why it
Okay.
gets some delay. Let me work.
Okay.
They start from. So you can see simply it will be just so it will be run.
Mhm.
Okay? So
Yeah.
there is no problem. It means that successfully installed it GeoPandas, GeoDataset, Matplotlib, this type of library. So now I click on the plus sign, take the new cell, plus sign, I take the new cell. Okay.
Yeah.
In the new cell, so first of all, we discuss about that GeoPandas. Okay. So GeoPandas, what GeoPandas? GeoPandas, basically, it's one kind of Python library to handling the
Mhm.
shapefile, to handling the shapefile, mainly point, line, or polygon.
Okay. Yeah.
So in the GeoPandas, we can easily read or write or create the different types of point, line, polygon, or boundary. And GeoPandas
Yeah.
is an open source project to make working with geospatial data in Python. And
Mhm.
GeoPandas extend the data types used by pandas to allow and special operation on the geometric types. Okay. So let me show you the example, it will be better. So you can easily get some shapefile from this data source.
Okay.
So I simply search administrative boundary shapefile. And this one, this is the website. From this
Wait.
website, we can easily get, okay, all of international country boundary polygon in the world. Okay? So gadm.org. So this is the website. So when you visit, so here we can easily get all of country boundary shapefile. And from here,
GADM dot.
simply search your own country, and then we can easily get all of administrative boundary level. Okay, all of administrative boundary we can easily get from this
Wait,
data
wait,
set.
wait. I need to go to data. When I coming inside, I have like GADM maps and data. Then what I
So
need
the
to
data,
press
click
and
on the data.
okay, and then you can download the spatial data by country.
Country, yeah,
Or
country.
okay,
From where any country administrative get from here.
okay,
And it is a shape file. Okay, this is a shape file.
yeah,
Download.
yeah.
So then it will be worked. Okay, it's downloaded. So here I already downloaded some file. If I show you, click on the shape file, then it will be start the downloading.
It's you have a specific country you want me to download,
In country download, no problem.
but for me now it doesn't matter. I can choose which country I want.
Suppose we choose the Bangladesh boundary, no problem.
So Bangladesh.
So here I already download the Bangladesh boundary.
Wait, Bangladesh. Yes, I see it. And then where is download? Should I download it as a shapefile
Shape
or,
file.
or as a geo package? To download it as a geo package or to download it as a shapefile?
Shape file. Shape file.
Shapefile. Okay.
And after downloading, simply unzip this folder.
Yeah, for sure. That's clear. I just like save it in a specific file for our. Wait a second. Okay, and I extract it. Extract. Yeah. Okay, I extracted it. All good.
So then we can get this type of file. You can see it show this type of file. So
Yeah.
basically you can see it show the zero. Some file show the zero, the zero. Some file show the
Yeah.
one, then two, then three, then four. Okay, so basically it's called the shape file. And if you
Yeah.
want to open this type of file on the QGIS software, do you have QGIS software or not?
I think so. I actually work with more with ArcGIS, but I
You can simply download. Suppose just click on the QGIS, simply search, or QGIS download, simply search. It's an open source software.
yeah, I hope that I can download it because it's the computer of my job, and normally I work with. But let's see. Um, Click on download, skip the thingy, and
Download
download.
LTR, mainly long term release, this version. Simply download and
Yeah,
install.
yeah. It's downloading.
Download and install, and then just open the
Um,
software.
yeah, yeah, I'm waiting. It's needs one more minute. Looks like. And it's going to finish soon. Let's see. Yeah, now I need to install it. Wait. Next. Accept. Next. Next. It's installing it. It's still shit. I think we have a little bit of problem because it's my working computer and they don't allow me to install some stuff. I need permission to install it. I have an access to QGIS, but it's through a remote computer and I don't have the Anaconda prompt on it. The thing I can do is that I have an extra computer, but then I would have to install Anaconda on it and do all the stuff again on the other computer.
No problem. You do it later. So just
Okay.
install and then okay, I continue. Okay, just I continue. Just watch and then I will send you the recorded class. Try to
Okay.
rewatch and then it will be helpful. So just open the QGIS software from here.
You're opening it?
Opening.
Yeah, for me, I have also and opened it like in the remote computer for my work. So I can maybe download again the shapefile if it's needed. I'll do like a new project and go to gatl.com. .org. Data, country, Bangladesh. Yep. Shapefile. Download it. Okay. Yeah. I also did a new project in QGIS, a new empty project. Yeah. Okay.
Just open this QGIS, and we already downloaded some file, a file.
Yeah. Yeah.
This type of file we try to import QGIS software. So just click on the empty project. So here we can easily upload it. Okay. Just we simply upload it. If you check the vector, okay, or raster, different types of tab. We'll discuss about the further later this type of tabs. Okay, so now how I can open
Yeah.
type of file. So you can see the layer and create
Yeah.
layer. We can
Yeah.
simply upload it the new shape file layer or new special layer, new shape file layer. So here
Yeah.
is simply file name, browse. We find out our download folder. Okay, mainly here we download our data. So this is my folder, and I want to open suppose uh, this level 3. Okay, so you can see basically this is the 0, 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, and 4. So just I open the.
What's the difference between them?
Okay, so basically, let me show you. A minute, it will be better. So just I show you that.
What's the difference between 1, 2, 3, and 4?
So basically, 0 is only for boundary. Okay, 0. If I
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
open only for the 0, suppose just I open and drag. Suppose this 0, just I
Yeah. Yeah.
drag. So it show you only
Yeah.
for the boundary. It's a boundary shapefile. It's a boundary of
Yeah.
Bangladesh. If I just
Yeah. Yeah.
open
That's
the
good.
one is mainly for
Yeah.
division. It's a division.
Okay. Okay.
Then
Okay.
2 is
Good.
for district. It's a district boundary.
Yeah. Yeah.
And 3 is for sub-district boundary. It's a sub-district boundary, all of sub-district.
Yeah.
And 4
Yeah.
is that it's a union boundary. Okay.
Yeah. It's
You can
even
get
smaller.
all of boundary in here. Okay. So this type of file or this type of map or this type of shape file, we can also open in our Python environment. We can also open in our Python environment. Okay. So let's
Yeah.
go how I can open this type of file
I,
in the Python. So for that,
what's
we
what's
simply
what needs to be the projection? Because when I try to upload the shapefile, it's have like a marking sign, and it doesn't let me to like I can drag it. Maybe if I drag it, it will work. But I think that my
no, it's a
projection.
WGS 9084. Okay, coordinate reference system
Okay, so WGS.
84.
Let's choose it then. Not
This
according
one.
to zones. Somehow for me, like in a different zone. I don't know why.
So for that, you
Um,
simply click on here. You can see EG. This is the uh, bottom of right
yeah.
side. We can get
Okay.
the projection.
So that's for me actually like the right one. It's written correctly. Let's see if I can just drag it instead of upload it. Okay. Yeah, it's working. It's working. All good. I upload it. All good.
So now we find out this type of thing, and this type of file we just try to open in our Python code. So if you check here, we already write some code and we already imported the one library GeoPandas. Okay. So basically the GeoPandas, it's help you to reading your file, the Python
Yeah.
environment. We can read our shape file. We can edit our shape file. We can different types of things we can do when you work with it. So,
Yeah.
so now we simply import our data and import our district boundary or any shapefile boundary in here. So for that, just a minute. So just take a variable. Suppose I put the variable GDF equal, and I call the package name. So this is my package. Okay, GeoPandas package. I just call GPD and apply
What is,
read file.
but what is GDF? Like, why did you choose
If you can
GDS?
put any name, it's a variable name. It can be anything.
Okay.
Variable
GPU
name.
read file. Okay, that's a
Read file, it's a
command.
function of GeoPandas. Okay, and we
Yeah.
already put the short name as a GeoPandas as GPD. So I simply put the gpd.read file. So now where the read file? So my file is stored in my download folder. You can see it show the download folder in here. So just I click on the download folder. And then then simply open my source folder. Source folder. One. So I want
But
to
how did you?
Yeah.
How did you add your file into the bar? Like, I want to see like the. Wait.
Yeah. Right.
Like I don't see. Like, how do you add those kind of like all the files into your bars? Like, how do you look for your file?
So
If
did you get this type of file in your right side? You can see the
Yeah,
folder.
but yeah, I see the folder, but for me, for example, I saved it like on my desktop on like a file that I did on my desktop. So like, how can I find it?
So from the desktop, okay, just click on the desktop and then find out.
But I don't see the desktop on my. That's the thing.
I'll share this. Can show me that. Okay, yes.
So, share screen. I will share a screen. You see, like when I have here, it doesn't show me like an option to go to desktop. And I saved it kind of, yeah, maybe here. Wait,
Find out.
and then I need to see where is desktop, and then I have this.
Yes, this one. Yeah.
Okay, and then I go to this. This is the shape.
Yes.
And
Yeah,
then,
this is the file. Yeah. Okay, so
and then
now
I
stop the
when
sharing and then continue. Okay, just share.
yeah, and then we need to shape file of 3, right?
It's different. Suppose in this time, okay, so suppose I want to work with the district shape file or district level boundary area. So for that, suppose I simply go to the source file again from my download folder, then go to this is my folder. In this folder, you can see it is a level 1. So I want to work with level 2. Suppose level 2. I want to work. So level 2 shape file, SSP, extension SSP. Just right click on this file and you can see the copy path. Okay, just copy this path, copy path.
Yeah.
And then paste here. Use the quotation and paste here.
Yeah.
Just paste.
And then press enter.
Then enter. Press enter. So now take the new plugin. So now this shape file, store it in this variable GDF. This variable is stored this shape file. Yep.
I need to do some comma like on the
quotation before it start and end. We
Yeah.
put the quotation.
Yeah. Okay. So wait, I didn't do it. I do 1 and I do 2. Yes.
And then we simply use the print function to check our data, print, and call this GDF because our data is stored in the GDF. Just I call the GDF. And from here, I want to check the all of attribute table. Just put the head function, head, and then enter. So now I can get this type of attribute table from my shape file.
Okay, and I'll do print.
So now GeoPandas, it can read shapefile and many others vector format on the same way. We try to read. Just put the head, it shows the attribute table. Okay. Basically, you can see the country, name 2, name 1, name 2, okay, and geometry. All of those we can get from here, the information.
What's head means? Like, why do you need to do the head?
So it mainly show you that all of attribute table. attribute table of your shapefile. Attribute table of
Okay.
your shapefile
Okay.
you can
Yeah.
get.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I put the head.
Okay.
As if you want, I want to check suppose other information. So just I put the print and put the type function type and call this variable name GDF, which is stored my all of data. Just a enter. So you can see it show the this type of type. It's a geo data frame. It's a geo data frame type. GeoPanda geo data frame type of my data set. It's a geo data frame. We can check the type of our data. As well as if you want, you can also check suppose number of rows column in your data, but number of rows and column. So for that, simply right here print the PDF dot columns. So now it show the number of column. Okay, you can see this type of column. I have this attribute table. This type of column I have name one, name two. This type of column we have.
I wrote columns, print GDF columns. Attribute error. Why it's error? I wrote it
PDF dot
correctly.
columns.
Yeah, I want to see if I wrote columns incorrectly, but I think I wrote it correct. Columns. I forgot the N. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it works. And then it shows me the columns in my attribute table.
Yes, all of attribute table column we find out.
Yeah.
And suppose you print also PDF dot chef. Shape. This is another function for shape. Then we can get the shape. How many column and how many row? How many row? Row total 64 in my table. 64 row and 14 column.
Okay.
You can get the mainly shape. How many rows and how many columns in your attribute table? We find out that. Not only for that, if you want to check the projection, what's the coordinate reference system of your shapefile? So further is simply right here print. Just call the data set GDF dot CRS coordinate reference system CRS. Then we can get the projection. So this is the EFPJ 4326 projection for my data set.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have a table with all of those comments that I will remember it?
Okay, so I also give some note also about that. You also try to read this type of note. It also help you for memorize more better.
Perfect.
That's it, right? So if you want, you can also use here others. Suppose GDF type, geom type. Suppose I put here the print GDF dot GOM type type dot value. Then put here the it's a counts. Just run. The problem series has attribute. Okay, value. Okay, counts. It's sorry, I put the wrong spelling. It's a count.
Exactly.
CO. So you can get how much polygon 42, how much multi polygon 22, and count. So it's just count all of how many polygon, how many multi polygon in my shapefile. You can get this type of information. As well as your shapefile have any null value. Suppose in my shapefile I want to check if there any null value. So for the receipt, write print GDF dot is empty dot sum. So now it computed how many empty file in my how many attribute empty. So you can see it show the 0. It means that there is no null value. There is no null value. So all of column have a value. Okay, there is no null value.
Yeah.
As well as I want to check, suppose is there any uh, how many valid, okay, how many valid data I have. So just print how many valid data in my shapefile. I want to check it. gdf dot is valid dot sum. So now it computed how many valid data I have. So
Yeah.
64. Okay, 64. And this is the shapefile of Bangladesh. Here mainly total 64 district. Total 64
Yeah.
district in Bangladesh. So that's why we find out the total valid data is 64. Okay, it's okay. There is no problem. So this type of things or this type of function is simply use and check our shapefile different types of information. So
Mm-hmm.
now I want to visualize. I want to visualize my shapefile. Okay. I was
Yeah.
suppose in the QGIS we try to visualize this type of file. So I want to
Yeah.
visualize in my Python how I can do it. So for that, simply take the new cell, and I want to. I already imported one library matplotlib.pyplot as a PLT. So basically, this function helped me to displaying the shapefile in my Python. So it's simple right here, this code. So just I simply call the gdf. It's my, this variable stored my data. gdf dot plt
To plot it. Yeah.
plot, or just put the, okay, plot, gdf dot plot, and we define the our figure size, our page figure size. So then put the fig size. Well, I put suppose 8 or 6 pixel, 8 width and 6 height. So this type of thing we have to change it, no problem. So just I put the GDA plot, this type of fixed size. If I run, so okay, you can see it create this type of fixed size. Okay, so this
8
is
and
the
6.
8 is the height, 6 is the width. Okay, you can also change
Okay.
it, no problem. As well as not only for that, we also add suppose other style of this map to look more pretty. So for that, just put the comma sign here and then put the suppose is color is color. We simply choose the S color. We can put any color. Suppose I put the S color is equal. I put suppose black color to put here the black color. So S color, it define the black, or you can put any color. Then it create
Yeah.
this type of color. Just run. So you can see it create this type of black color S. Suppose I put here that another color, suppose red. So then it create the
The
red
red.
color is this type of map we find out, or the red color is.
Yeah.
As well as I want to add suppose title. I want to add the title of my map. So how I can add the title? So very easy. Just we simply use add the plt dot title and put your title. Suppose I put the title is Bangladesh districts,
Okay. PLT.
and then run the code. So now it added the title. So you can see it show the Bangladesh district as a title. And finally, we can also learn a lot of stylish one by one. Okay, in the inshallah, we try to discuss about the further class how to create the more better map. So this is the basic things. So I want to add suppose plt dot show final. Just run. So we create this type of map. Okay, this is the basic. Okay. So further, we can create the different types of vector operation. Further class we will discuss. No problem.
What the show does, like when you do PLT show, what does it
So
do?
basically, it's a final. It's the last we simply write the PLT show. So then it just showing displaying our main graph, main file.
Okay.
Finally,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah.
So this is the way. Now, if you want, you can use any other. Suppose I want to work with the division shapefile. So you can see division. Basically, this is the level 1. So if this is the level, or this just I copy this path. Just click and copy the path. copy path, and then I simply change it. I change it. Just paste here and run again this cell, and also check the head. Okay, then check the all of those one by one. I simply check. Okay, then check, and finally I just print. So now I can get only for divisional map of Bangladesh.
Wait, it didn't work for me somehow. I need to go over everything and activate it. Like, I changed it to.
Just simply run.
I changed it with the path to 4, but still the result I see the 3. I don't see the 4.
Just copy the path and then run all of cell again. Okay, then it will be very easily.
Let's do like this, and then I do run. It still shows me the 3rd one. It doesn't show me the 4th one.
Yes, why?
I don't know.
I'll share this.
I will share. You see that? Wait.
Yeah.
Now you see. Here it's Bangladesh 4 shape. It's the 4th one. I took it from here, and then I do like run.
So you change the full all of just copy again.
This one I'll do.
Just copy the path.
Copy path. Yeah.
Then just remove the previous one.
Yeah, that's what I did, and now it's the 4th, and then I do run.
Run. Yes.
And that's not the 4th. That's the 3rd. That show me the districts. It doesn't show me the what you have. You have a larger polygons. It show me like the last one.
It show the district same, not change.
Yeah, exactly. That's what
now
I don't get.
Go to the app. What's the problem? Go to the app. PDF read file.
It's like it's this one, right? Like the 4. I can also like try to do it with another one. Like I do the
Just
one
and try.
Copy path. I go here. I paste it. You see now that it changed to 1.
Just run.
Run. And it stayed on the.
Okay, just slowly run one by one. Okay, I think very fast. Okay, just go to the run button and slowly run one by one. Run.
Okay, so let's do again the 4th because that's what we checked. Copy. Not copy, sorry. Copy path. And I'll go here. And I'll paste it. And then we have 4. And you run. Wait a little bit.
And run.
Then run. Changed. We need to see also if it's changed something here on the table, but okay. I'm not sure it's changing anything in the because I still get the same results. You see, like it's 16, 64, and 14, which is weird because it's supposed to be changing. No, okay. Got it. And it stays the same. Here, it's GFD, and here it's GDF. Maybe I think that's the problem. Wait.
GDF. Yeah, I hope now it. Yeah. Yes, it also changed. Now, yeah, it's worked.
It worked, right?
Yes, now it's worked. Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's changing. All good. It stays the same. 0. Let's see. Okay, here you have more.
5,158
exactly.
In Bangladesh. You find out the total.
And show. It's still.
Yeah, it's loading.
Thinking, it's loading.
There's a lot of features. 5,158. Yeah. So it's loading, I hope.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, great. I give you again the.
Now show the share and let me share again.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you very much.
Share again. This is the file. We simply find out. So now we can easily display any shape file for any country. Okay, just same way, any shape file we can easily display and check all of information from this type of shape file. Okay.
Yeah.
So now we try to discuss about that how to filter. Suppose, suppose let me work for district file. Suppose this is the level 2. It's a district. So from the district, I want to work with for a specific boundary. Okay, it's total
Yeah.
64, but I want to work for a single boundary. So how I can work this type of things we have discussed. Just I copy the path again and then
Yeah.
change my previous one.
I do.
Yes. Okay, just I run the code again.
And yes, now I got districts.
So now just I take the cell again. Just I take the new cell. In the new
Yeah.
cell, I want to view only selected column. Okay. Suppose if you check in my shape file, there are the lot of column. Okay? It's called the column. This is the
Yeah.
column. It also column. It also column. It also column. But I want to show suppose only for the name two column. I want to display. I want to display only
Yeah.
for the name two column. So how I can choose this type of column? Or I want to display suppose name two and geometry. Suppose this two column I want to select and display this only for this two column. So how I can select this type of column only for this specific column? How I can choose or view only selected column? So for that, just print, then call my data set. My data set name is GDF. This is my data set, and I put this square bracket. Okay, two square bracket, and now I put here the name. Suppose one column name is, if you check, one column name is, I choose suppose name 2 and geometry. This two column I need, name 2 and geometry. Just I copy. Or using this way, you can filter any column. So just I put the
Yeah.
name 2 and paste here. And another column I need for, suppose, geometry. Just I call the geometry column. So this is the
Mm.
geometry column name. Just I copy the column name, geometry,
Yeah.
and then write here the geometry.
Wait.
This to a specific column, I simply select it and then apply here dot head function to
Wait.
display.
We do name two comma geometry. Close the brackets. Why did you do like two brackets in each side? Like you do GDF and then two brackets and not one bracket. Is it supposed to be like this?
Yeah.
If I do it only with one bracket, is not working?
No, it's showing the problem. So we simply select the multiple column. So then we just apply the two bracket.
Okay.
And if I run the code, so now I can see
Okay.
it show only for the name two column and geometry column.
Wait, something didn't work for me. I have an error. Invalid syntax, something I wrote. I think I didn't close here. Okay, all good. Still not working. I try to see what I did wrong. If I did, I don't know how to say it in English actually. Wait, I will. Try to fix it. Still doesn't work. Syntax error, closing parentheses, something here. I see a problem. I see the problem. Now maybe it's supposed to be working. Yes, now it works. All good.
Okay, can get. So now suppose you need for the one column same way, or three column or four column. What you need? Just put the column name. Then we can get. We simply filtering. We simply selected for a specific column. Okay, selected for a specific column. So now I simply select feature by attribute. Suppose if you check in my column, suppose name to column, it have different types of value. Okay, suppose it's mainly district name. So I want to work with a single district. Only for this specific district I want to work. So from the feature, I simply select a specific region, a specific place. So how I can do it? So for that same way, just take the new cell again. Just take the new cell. And I put here selected, I put this variable name. You can put any name, equal. I call GDF. So this is my data set. From this, I then put the square bracket, start and close, and again put the GDF and put the column name. Okay, column name. So column name is the name 2. So this column is stored all of district name. Okay, name 2. Just I put this column name in here and then set equal. So I simply put the equal and put the my place which I need. Suppose I need the Dhaka district. I put the Dhaka.
Wait. It's
Okay. So this is the way we simply select, suppose one district. I just work only for one district boundary or one district I want to choose.
What are the 2 times equal means?
This is our full data set. GDF, it's full data set. From the full data set, I choose only for the name 2 column, then equal Dhaka.
Yeah, but why did you do twice equal? Why not
Okay,
only
so
one
basically
equal?
it's a syntax. Okay, when you write the equal, we need to put the twice equal sign.
Because what's the difference?
It's a so basically it's a syntax, like text or symbol for equal.
But if I do only one equal, it won't work?
It's through the wrong.
Really? Okay. Okay, let's see. But like in other stuff, we do show like one equal and like why? Let's see.
Just run the code. Just run. And I also print. Suppose I want to print the information. Just I print this selected, this one. Run the code. So you can see it show the information only for the Dhaka. Just only one feature we find out. Only for the one feature. Dhaka.
Yeah.
So now suppose I want to display. I want to display the Dhaka boundary. So same way, we simply write here. Suppose just I simply copy the previous code I already write. Just all of those just I copy and then paste here. Okay. I want to focus. I want to just focus. I want to visualize this selected. Just I paste here. Selected plot. Okay. Then I run that code and show the result. Now I can get only for the Dhaka boundary. I also put the name. Suppose I put the name is for. It said Dhaka.
Wait. Okay, you did only no, but like wait. Because it doesn't show me Dhaka, it shows me the whole map.
Why? So you need to copy, just use the selected because you can see Dhaka is stored in the selected.
Exactly.
This variable is stored in the Dhaka boundary.
Yeah. Now we do only selected. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, and it shows me all good.
So not only for Dhaka, so in your shapefile, any district name, suppose I put another district name, suppose it's a name for Kurigram. So this is another district in Bangladesh. So just I run that again. So now it's loaded for Kurigram boundary. So it's another district boundary.
Okay, I want to see. Yeah, we'll take Bola, I don't know, for example. Switch it instead of Dhaka. Do run, then do this is selected, call it Bola. And do yeah, it works.
So now it's work for any features, any boundary we can easily visualize. Okay?
Yeah.
Suppose any boundary, please easily visualize. Suppose if I show or Jamalpur district, Bangladesh, just write the name and then run the code. Show you that Jamalpur district boundary kind of.
Yeah. I will do also an example for myself. Yeah, and it shows me. All good.
The showing.
Yeah.
So this is the way we simply work with. So not only for that, I think we also discuss about another class for the geopandas. A lot of topic we need to handle. So in the
Yeah.
meantime, okay, so in the meantime, I also send you all of practice code, this type of things, and also send you the hand note, send you some note PDF regarding this type of classes. Okay.
Okay.
So it also help you to review topic more precisely, and also
Yeah.
send you the recorded class also. You also try to
Okay.
rewatch it, okay, and practice
Okay.
again. Okay. So today is no more. We will meet on the next Friday. Inshallah, at the same time we'll meet and discuss about the further topic.
On Friday or on Wednesday? On Friday?
Sorry. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Wednesday at my 6 o'clock, right? Or what was
Wednesday,
it?
same time. Today is also same time. Wednesday.
At 10 o'clock in the morning.
Yes.
I'm not sure. I cannot do it on Wednesday on 10 o'clock in the morning. I thought at 10 o'clock, like that maybe
Okay,
like on
you
the
can inform
afternoon.
me. We try to now proceed
Arrange.
and we try to
Okay.
join the Friday. No problem. No problem.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thank
All
you for
good.
joining.
So where are you going to send me all the information?
Okay, so you can get it from our Google Classroom. I think you already joined this Google Classroom. Okay, so all of information you can easily access. Okay, I will send you in the classwork. You can easily get all of information, all of material you can get from the Google Classroom.
Okay. Perfect.
Already joined, so easily get it from here. No problem.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye bye.